Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LENOVO Tab M11. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now select Close at the top in the pop-up or just click on your device's screen. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, you can select multiple files that you wish to send. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Receive button at the bottom, over here. If you prefer to scan this QR code instead of inputting this key, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up. After closing an ad, over here, and then point your Lenovo's camera at the code. Lastly, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!